Today I'm going to show you how to remove clean search, also known as glitch.org, from Firefox quickly and safely if your browser keeps opening with unwanted search results, a changed homepage, or a search engine you did not choose. This guide will help you clean it up in just a few simple steps. And if this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and browser tutorials. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu button that looks like three horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu where all the important browser settings are stored. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to the Firefox settings page, where you can control search, privacy, homepage options, and more. On the left side of the settings page, click Search. This section controls your default search engine and the list of search providers Firefox can use. Now scroll down until you see the search engines list. Here, Firefox will show the search engines that are currently available in your browser. Look carefully for any unwanted entry related to glitch.org or clean search. If you find it, disable it so it can no longer be used as a search option. In some cases, you may also want to check whether it has been set as the default search engine. If it has, switch back to a search engine you trust, such as Google, Bing, or whatever you normally use. After that, go back through your browser settings and make sure nothing else looks unfamiliar or suspicious. It's a good idea to check your homepage, new tab settings, and extensions as well, because browser hijackers sometimes change more than one setting. If you still see signs of glitch.org after removing it from search, you may need to review installed add-ons or reset Firefox settings to fully clean the browser. Once you've removed the unwanted search engine and confirmed your settings are back to normal, restart Firefox and test the search to make sure everything is working correctly. Your browser should now open with the search engine you chose instead of clean search or glitch.org. If this tutorial helped you fix Firefox, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.